After 31st, we gave food to the birds as usual. You see the black mark that has been, those are the food stains provided by me and my mom and some other family members of our house. Okay, so you can see that dove or some other birds and the pigeons and other birds and the crow bros, they usually come here for taking their food. Okay, but after this 31st, okay, when so much when the sky was so much bombarded by the human, okay, so at that time was the sleeping or the rest time for the birds, okay, who we just don't need to think about the sun and the moon, but also some other creations, even the bugs and all the creations. We have to think about them and about their comfort. Okay, so you can see less birds. Okay, some other days so many birds are here all every day, right? So this is because people has bombarded the crackers, and that was really disturbing for the nature. Trust me, I'm not against the crackers. They can fire crackers of up to 100 taka per person, but I saw that every year it is, they're just crossing the limits, okay, and which brings very disastrous consequence in their lives. So I don't know if I'm wrong, then please pardon me, and if I'm right, then collect those monies communally and develop the city and the country, okay, and do something good for the birds and all the other animals, okay. So, বাবু আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, তোমার গলার ঘন্টিটা তো খুবই সুন্দর হয়েছে, ওই শোনা, you're so you're so good. Do you want to eat them? Do you want to eat them? So he also agreed with my words, and that is it. Thank you very much. Okay, let me show the other side, okay? দেখছেন না যে পাখিরা ভয়ে আজকে বের হইতেছে না, হ্যাঁ, চিন্তা করেন। See, on that rooftop also, mashallah, they are coming gradually, alhamdulillah, because if there are no more birds, then human life will destroy within hours, and if there are less birds, then there are possible chances of destroying gradually, right? And if there are so many birds, there won't be any transmittable viral diseases possibly. So we should take care of birds and other animals and the bee bros and everything, okay? So that is it. So if you want to feed the eagles on the sky, you have to bring some live fishes and put it on a bowl in the rooftop, and they will take it away, inshallah. So thank you very much. So when people fire so much crackers, what happens? The natures get disturbed, and if you disturb the nature, there is no chance of getting relief. So you have to take care of the nature parallelly. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khairan.